Kakainis, no? Laging nawawala ang susi, bag o even ang alaga. Chill na lang, may solusyon na. Meet the BMX Smart Tracker. Super liit, portable, ilalagay sa keychain, bag o kwelyo ng aso. No app download needed. Connect agad sa iOS or Android mo via Bluetooth. Walang SIM card required, walang monthly load, walang hassle. 6 to 12 months battery lifespan. Charge na lang after almost a year. Waterproof, kahit umulan, okay lang. Lost tracker, multi-target. Track ang 30 items sabay-sabay. Most phone, 30 trackers, perfect for family, pets, or business. Happy customer using tracker plus product bundle shot. Hindi na maliligaw, literally. Perfect for susi, wallet, backpack, kids, lolo, lola, at pet. Delivers equipment, travel bags, limited stock. Tap on the yellow basket or comment tracker para sa reserve na. Fast shipping, COD available.